Welcome to my vlog! Miss na ubi ang mata, miss na ubi.
Parang old town tong lugar nito.
Welcome to my vlog!
Mga kagala, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Oceanside. Phil-Am Festival po ito. Araw ng Kalayaan. Maraming tao.
Want to mention as we're getting set up, on July 21st at NTC at Liberty Station, we are having the Filipino Friendship Festival. It is enormous, and it is something that really showcases the Filipino culture, and everybody is welcome. It is free. Come on down for food, entertainment, dance, everything else. It'll be a good time.
Hindi yung masyadong kalakihan tong event nito. Medyo ano lang. Kasi mixi lang ho ito eh. Pero kung ano yan, hanggang doon sa dulo yan. Yung mga vendor. Wala nang pila ho eh. Maiksi lang tong event nito. Hanggang alas 5 lang. Phil-Am Festival po ito. May ibang vendor, walang pila eh. Oh. Meron din tricycle dito saka ano, saka jeep. Iba yung jeep sa ano, sa Long Beach. Katandaan nyo ba yung jeep sa Long Beach? Iba yung tricycle din dito. Oh. Magkaiba sila, hindi sila pareho.
Okay, both you guys get there. I'll take a picture of you guys. Oh, they do that? We're just hanging there by the... Yeah, right here, Jay, on the side. There you go. Like you own the Jeep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ayan, Saraw.
If ever it's going to be like this, we have no.
You guys have this every year? Oh, they just brought it from LA. Oh, yeah. First time here, huh? Yeah, first time here. And then do the tricycle.
Dito yan sa ano, sa Oceanside.
Ay, espérate con tomar.
Ship it? Oh.
Hindi yan pwede dito.
Yung gawa ng Saraw, handmade painting ba? You see the history.
Good at your math, hindi pwede dito yung time. Bigyan mo ng balya. Tapos dapat sumilan ng tama, kundi malulugi kayo.
Ayan mga kagala, oh. Yung ibang vendor walang pila. Ito may lumpia rin ito, oh. Halo-halo, ube dessert. Hanggang alas 5 lang po ito. Kung anong to. Nandito rin to si Tiger Steak. Umiikot yung ano nila.
Patsugan, tao. Mamuda ko makapagpapagyan pa. Dapat magkirita ngayon.
Ayan, dami dito mga Pinoy. Jump Pinoy. Marami rin vendor. Kaso iba walang pila. Sa amin kahit na paano mayroong paunti-unti. Mahina na ngayon, di katulad kanina na may pila. Ngayon wala nang pila. Kunti na lang. Naghintay lang ako maubos yung isang
What's up, Goya? What's the guy, Goya? Working? Working.
Still working.
Where's the boss? Working.
They go around.
Oh.
They go to the birthday.
Birthday?
Yeah, family birthday.
Oh. And that's your working, yeah?
Yeah, that's why I'm working. Working hard. Ayan o.
Now you're TikTok.
That's YouTube.
How many followers you got? Million?
14,000.
You're close, you're close. Just start making money.
Yeah. Waiting for the salary.
How much?
Not yet. I wait the $100.
How many followers for
Right now I have 14,000.
40,000? How much you make? Not yet.
Not yet. I need to reach the $100 and then after that
day. When you wake up, you take a video. When you go to sleep, you take a video. And there's a guy on YouTube. He take a video of himself, how he look every day.
Oh
You
yeah.
know, when you woke up, you have a different look.
Yeah. Even though they sleep, they take the video. They go. They go.
I think just spend all weekend.
Yeah. And the Father's Day.
Oh yeah, Father's Day is coming. Oh, and happy Father's Day. Yeah.
That's another manager.
Not anymore, I retired. I do this every now and then for special events. But,
Oh yeah.
I don't do markets anymore. Done.
With that, huh? Lechon, Simpuchon. Eh, marami dito, mga Pinoy. Ito yung sa likod, ito likod. Hindi ito yung kayo yung nasa harap po, nasa likod tayo. Ngayon. Sisig, may sisig din sila. Lumpia. Woo! Linis muna ako ng konti at ano. Ayan, merong lumpia eating contest. Ayan o. Tignan natin yung lumpia eating contest.
Alright, we ready? I know, I can't hear that. Are you guys ready? Alright. In 3, 2, go ahead. Let's go one at a time. Alright, who's second? Keep going, we got second and third. That's alright, these gentlemen get to actually enjoy their today. Alright. There we go. All done. Second. One more, we got third. Who's third? Oh my gosh. There we go. Who's third? We got. There he is, we're done, we got it. Alright guys. Thank you, Gabinas, for the lumpia though too. That's actually the really important part too. And can we get the winners to come over here?
Thank you for watching.